and also I do dry beans.
How did you hear about the program of the Women Farmer and how has been the experience while still training?
Well, while I was browsing through Facebook, I used to follow a woman farmer, especially because I like what they were doing, more especially with the competition Women Farmer of the Year. So I used to follow them. While I was following them, I saw such an opportunity, more especially I've been hit by storms, of course. When there was a hailstorm, one of the things that used to happen, my produce used to be affected. So that is why I decided to come to Women Farmer Foundation to learn about this tunnel farming, the smart climate agriculture. So my experience here, it has been awesome, so exquisite. So I enjoyed every stay of my time here at Women Farmer, more especially during the course of tunnel farming, because there is the part I missed. In fact, the part that I was interested on the most, because now I want to practice it in my home area, in my region, of course. So I want now to practice the tunnel farming, more
Okay.
especially with the youth.
Uh, what challenges do you think you're going to face as you go and practice in your home? And how do you think that can be mitigated?
Well, I know channels are just a bit expensive, but with some initiative that I've taken, I've made some quotations from some companies from South Africa. Of course, some they are way much expensive than others. So I'm looking maybe to secure funds, because I have a good relationship with a Swatini bank. It's one bank that I've been using for my farm, so I believe they will do fund me. They will support me with this initiative. Looking at the prices with Namport, of course, the tunnel produce, it is paying much better than the one from the open area. So that is why with that in my business plan, when I'm going to the bank, I believe they will consider it and they will give me the money that I need just to start farming, because it is one gap I believe it is going to close, because my projects have been affected many times.
Okay, finally, again, tell me, where is the youth in farming? Especially now that we have the smart agriculture farming,
Well,
most of them are complaining about jobs, not finding jobs. Wrap up
very
in 1 minute.
very true. I believe the youth, they have been far behind when it comes to agriculture. I have tried to organize them many a times in my home area. It is hard to find them. But with this initiative, I have tried to get some from some cooperative, and now there is a group, two groups from different areas that I'm working with, because at the end of the day, I want them to secure funding for tunnel farming, and I will ask WFF to come, in fact, to help them with the tunnel. I will share my knowledge, because I did this tunnel farming, but I will also ask WFF, Women Farmer Foundation, to come and help them in details, so that they produce according to the specifications they will need.